Step 4 is to connect ports 3L and 3R, which is port 3 left and port 3 right. So you place the screws in the same way. I put the 3L above port beam 1, and I made sure the screws pull the pieces together, and you can tell they're touching the two planes, the two surfaces. And if you have some difficulty getting the screws to line up, you can take the beams and move them a little. I moved mine out a little and it lined up, and then I can put it back to a 90-degree angle. I did the same thing with the other side. See?